Groundwater revitalization has spread well beyond the borders of such pioneering countries as Austria, Germany, and Switzerland. In Thailand, the TIPCO Tower in Bangkok is fully equipped with Grandeur technology. This was the result of the vision of one woman.
We should take very good care of our water because our water is here for millions of years and it cannot produce any single drop again. So we have to use the water that we have right now, and we should not pollute it with all the chemicals that we are producing.
Mrs. Anurat Thiantam employs more than 20,000 people in Thailand. Despite being blessed with abundant fresh water supplies, Southeast Asia suffers from enormous problems with the supply of drinking water. High population density combined with low environmental standards has led to serious challenges. Some 300 kilometers south of Bangkok, thousands of Mrs. Thiantam's employees are involved in the preparation of tropical fruits for export. Her company TIPCO is one of the leading food production companies in Southeast Asia. The company's tropical fruit can be found on the shelves of European supermarkets under the brand name Lippies. Every drop of water used in the production plant passes through Grandeur revitalization units.
In the first moment, I am not know much for the Grandeur water because it's sometimes it's very cannot prove. If we install the Grandeur in our factory, it will help us for the cleaning or the washing program in our product or in the cleanliness of the machine. For this time, we use the Grandeur water in the whole of the water used in factory. But the most important that we can see is our aloe vera product. That's the aloe vera product is difficult to wash because of the slime in the aloe vera or aloin in the aloe vera. So when we use the Grandeur water, we can see that the slime or aloin of the aloe vera is easy to wash. The second is our equipment or the machine. When we washing or the cleaning every day, we can find that the slime on the equipment or utensil is easy to wash, and we can use less effort than before. I think other factory can use the Grandeur water because it will improve your equipment or the product.
It is impossible to clean the water chemically because we even could not possibly identify thousands of pollutants in the water.
The TIPCO Tower in Bangkok also has a swimming pool and gym complex that is open to the public. Despite the use of state-of-the-art water treatment systems, guests of the complex complained of a strong chlorine smell in the pool.
Before that, we need to maintain the cleanness of the water. So to be able to make water become clear, you need to add up more chlorine. And because we are in a closed space, so the chlorine smell, it's very irritating for the people who stay in the club. And then after we install the Grandeur system, the smell, it's become less because we were able to use less chlorine, so like we can reduce about 50%. So the smell become decreased. And one thing that I have to add, ever since we have the Grandeur system, we are able to maintain the pool easier. Before that, it always have the green stuff. Every 3 weeks, we have to have a scuba tank to go into the pool to clean up the green algae. But ever since we installed the Grandeur system, it doesn't grow anymore.
When we use the water in the industry, we have to solve the problem or the burden of using water with chemicals. And now we have an alternative that the granularized water works better than the chemicals.